Now that our IDE is configured properly, let us get started writing our first C program. So first we will have to launch the IDE. As soon as you launch it, the default screen what we see is this, right? So it contains some skeletal code. Ideally speaking, even that will not be there. So you typically would start with a blank screen which is looking like this. Okay, so we will write the first program. So I'll just type it for now. So don't worry if what I'm typing here does not make any sense, right? So that is not the objective at this stage. Okay, so I'm going to do trying to write the basic bare minimum smallest possible program. Okay, there you go. So this is the portion area of the IDE where you will type your program. Okay, so as soon as you type or even before you start typing, it is a good idea to save it with an appropriate name. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the save button that is there. So to say what is the name of the file with which you want to save this. As you can see, the default name is called untitled. I'm going to save it in my own folder, which is essentially the code. So I'm going to call it as my first hello.c. Okay, so this is a very important step because you don't want to lose the file that you have created. Okay, so the default path that where you save the file could be the path that we have set it up when you first started using your virtual C, but then it could be saved in any place. So you type your code, you save it, and then you put it through what is known as the compile, link, and execute. All these three things can be done in a single step by clicking on this particular button, which has got a triangle in it. So which is labeled as a run. So I'm going to press that and voila. So we see the first output of our first program called Hello World. Okay. So the starting point is fairly easy, right? So you type your code, save your file and compile, link and run in a single shot by clicking on the run button.